Can you tackle these challenging riddles? Where do we see oceans with no water, forests with no trees and cities with no people? Answer is a map. I run but have no legs. I make sound but have no life. What am I? Answer is a clock. All sides of me are surrounded by white walls, but I have no doors. What am I? Answer is an egg. I'm a frozen delight, sweet and cold, in cones or cups, a treat to hold. What am I? Answer is ice cream. What is at the end of a mercury? Answer is the letter Y. What is far behind us, and can be seen without looking at it? Answer is the past. I have a neck but no head. I have a shoulder but no hand. What am I? Answer is a shirt. What does February have that other months don't have? Answer is the letter F. What is something you will never see again? Answer is yesterday.